Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this very beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. This time I decided to go for something totally different. I decided to go out of my comfort zone. I decided to get something like this, and honestly speaking, I kind of like it, though I would prefer like a brown and a gold. I think a brown gold goes better than a gold black. Like gold black is actually going so bold, you know, but it's nice. I kind of like it. Installing the wig is so easy. I didn't use a Stockings cap. I didn't feel that it's necessary to do that, and I love the way it turned out. It's a lace front, so you can use the wig cap as well, and you can put it all to the back if that's what you want. But I've actually decided to wear it like this, and I love the way it looks. And this wig is from Xrsbeauty. I'm gonna put all the wig spec, everything that has to do with this wig, in the description box below. If you decide to go bold, then definitely check them out. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what came with the package. So this is what the wig looks like. So first of all, I'm just gonna tweeze out the frontal just a little bit, not too much. After that, I'm going to tweeze out the middle part pattern as well. So now I'm going to take my hair oil, like hair serum, and I'm going to apply it on the wig. It's also a wig, it's also a hair protectant, because I'm going to straighten the wig. So now I'm done straightening the wig. This is what it looks like. You guys can see it's very lovely. So right here, I'm just gonna cut out the spare lace in front. So right here, I'm just applying my concealer on the part, just to give it a more natural look. Also, I'm going to apply my foundation on the lace part as well. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of water on my edges. And then I'm going to use my gel, the Got to Be Glue gel, to apply on my edges. I just want to make sure that the lace front is well secured. So when I'm going to take this thing out, I'm going to use water. I'm going to spray water to take it out to make sure that my edges are protected, or I'm going to use spirit, put spirit on the cotton wool to take it out. So it's very important to know so you don't make any mistake. So right here I'm going to just spray my fix spray, the got to be glued fix spray, and then let it dry a little bit, and then I'm going to put on the wig. Just make sure you're very careful when you're taking out the wig. Make sure you spray a lot of water on your edges to avoid any breakage. So after that, I'm going to tie a scarf on it and leave it to sit for like 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take off the scarf. So right here, I'm just going to comb the hair very well. And yes guys, this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. So now I just said to comb it out to the back as well. This is totally optional. And this is what it looks like, guys. I am absolutely in love with this wig. It's something different and it's very beautiful. And that's what it's going to be for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends. And I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.